Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I put a DIY video out. And what we have here are two old vents that require bricklaying. These have been sealed from the inside. You see the insulation there. So to go about this, I first need to remove all the half and cut bricks to create a bond to join in with the existing bonds. Now what I've done, I've marked all the bricks that have to come out with a cross, as you can see on there. I won't be using an angle grinder. I feel it makes too much dust on these joints. So the way I'm going to do it, I'm going to use a drill and drill a series of holes, stitched holes, and hopefully that'll be a little bit more cleaner. Now I'm using my SDS drill on this. I'm drilling the holes as close together as I can. I'm using the drill on the hammer function only. So anyway, I'll put you on time lapse so you get the general impression. I don't want to bore you to death with drilling holes. Now just to make the removal process a bit easier, I'm angling the drill and I'm going to join these holes up as best I can, and just to make removing the mortar a little bit easier. So when it comes to breaking these out with the chisel, I've got as less mortar holding these together as possible. So I'm just going to work that drill in between all those joints and yeah, just try and make it a little bit easier. I've removed as much as I can there with the drill, so I'm going to get my bolster and hammer and just break away at those. There are special chisels you can get for this, by the way, but I'm making do with what I've got. The bolster chisel, it's not going to get jammed in between the joints because I won't be knocking it all the way. And I'm just going to work these bricks out gently without doing any damage to the existing brickwork. Now I've got my first course of brickwork on there, and I've also added another layer of insulation to pack out that cavity. Cavities were clean before this, make sure there's no rubble going into the cavities, so they're nice and clean. My first course, I'm just checking it for level, I'm checking it's flush with the existing brickwork, I'm following the courses of the existing brickwork. Now my mix I've used on this is a simple 5:1 mix. I've not made this too strong. I'm just going to take my time and pack out those joints as well. The original mortar, I believe there was a dye in the mortar, it was a black mortar. It's faded over the years, so I'm going to add a dye in there to match that up. And yeah, so we'll get these courses in, we'll get it picked up, and we shall point it up and see how we're looking. So that's the brickwork done. I'm just going to give it a final tap with a level, check everything's fine and in line, it's all vertical, and we'll get a mix on. We'll mix a dye. So this is the final pointy mix. I'm using a sample of black dye rather than buy a full tub. You can buy these sample packs. I've already done a trial mix of this, so I know it will dry a lighter colour to match the existing brickwork. So that's it guys, I'm just going to give it a quick brush off now. I've packed those joints in with the pointy mix just to make sure the mortar's got all the way to the back, and that's it. So we're all finished. Don't think it looks too bad for a DIY brickie. I'm definitely not a bricklayer. I'd never do any brickwork, to be honest with you, very rarely. I hope you found the video helpful, hope you found it interesting. And if you have, don't forget to give us a like. Also consider subscribing. As always, take care, and I shall see you on the next video.